Hey guys, I'm Nicola. I'm going to give you a brief rundown of how to get onto Beachbody On Demand and how to access a few things in there that are really going to help you out. So let's share screen. Go to my desktop and see if we can pull this up. Okay, so if you go to beachbodyondemand.com, you're going to come to here and you're going to have the option to log in. So I'm already logged in. It's going to get you to this exact same screen. This is if I click on there, it's just the home screen. This top is going to change, probably change for the day you see this. So we're going to come down and we're going to see the different fitness programs. So you're going to scroll down. Usually the most recently released are at the top. So 80-Day Obsession. I'm a little obsessed is something you might want to check out after 21-Day Fix. But here in the second row is the program we're going to be doing, which is 21-Day Fix. So you click on that. You're going to pull up the workout list. It's in order: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then there's an extra option of 10-minute fix for abs. And these are things that will come up in the program. If you go to the program materials, you're going to have a start here. PDF, you can download the 21-Day Fix editable tally sheet. So this is where you can write down your meals and keep track of things. Or as I put in the earlier post, you can download the app to your phone. You can print up a workout calendar so you can check off your workouts daily, and a food list. So this is a handy one-page shopping list. So there's a couple options for planning your meals. You can make recipes and fit them in your containers and make it work that way. Or if you are like super basic like me, I just cook a bunch of food. I stock my fridge with fruits and vegetables and the appropriate carbs, and I just pull things out at mealtime and make my containers, put them together, put it on a plate, and voila, there's my meal. You can get fancy, you can be simple. We're going to show you some options for that as we prepare. I would look at each of these. So the food list, the online toolkit, the eating plan, if you need vegan, if you want to up your speed of weight loss or getting on track, you can do a 3-day quick fix. Please ask if you have any questions about any of these. We are here to help. There's a Spotify playlist you can pull up that gives you alternative music, but I highly recommend, especially for the first week, to stick with just watching the video so you can listen to Autumn for the cues, for the different moves, and just to stay on track, because your form is really, really important in this. Frequently asked questions, and then if you want to read it in other languages, there you go. So I'm going to come back up to the top. After workout programs, if you're ever looking for a specific program down the road, because you have access to Beachbody On Demand for a full year, and then most of us just keep on going, but you can access any program in our library. So as you can see, we've got quite a few trainers. Of course, the main ones are Tony Horton, Autumn Calabrese, Shaun T, Chalene Johnson, and we've added in a few more. How it works. This is just telling you how to stream the workout. So you're just going to click on your workout and get going. What else is included in the membership? Challenge du jour, they just put up a different workout every day if you want to just do random workouts from different programs. If you ever want to take it easy and just do more stretching, you can check out the Beachbody Yoga Studio. Fixate, Fix-Approved Cooking Show. We are going to look into this. And also the Beachbody blog. So you can see how to get started with the program. If you want to send it from Beachbody On Demand, you can use the Beachbody On Demand app. You can stream it to Roku players, Amazon Fire Stick, and Chromecast. So sometimes I do it on my laptop on Chromecast. Sometimes I put it right to my TV with Fire TV. So just find out what's going to work best for you. And check all this out. So we have the Fixate Fix-Approved Cooking Show. If you want more recipes, you can come in here. There's recipe videos. So the Containers 101, which is I posted this morning. These are the foundational videos, but there's breakfast recipes, there's entree recipes, there's sides, there's absolutely everything. If you don't want to watch the video, go to Program Materials and you can download the Fixate recipes, and I have it right here. Let's go right to the top, and you can access all of the recipes. And the key thing here is to find the recipe, find the meal, and then you're going to see the notes if it's gluten-friendly, paleo-friendly, vegan, vegetarian. If it's for a specific program, 80-day obsession, there's a note there. But in each of the recipes, you're going to see it tells you the serving size. That's always important because one recipe rarely is one serving. And then it's going to tell you your containers. So if you want to make one of these recipes for a meal, this one, for example, you'd find a meal where you have one green, one red, and one yellow, and make it work like that. So back for one more, wrong one. So that is the Fixate. And then one more thing I want you to look at is the blog. So you can find any question you have about fitness and nutrition in here. We want you to ask us and be part of the group. But if you ever have extra questions, fitness, an example, 9 exercises for your best upper body workout. Weight loss, how often should I work out for weight loss? Recipes, oatmeal raisin cookie Shakeology. And Chris Downing's favorite hip hop workout songs. More ideas for Shakeology recipes. How to cook sweet potatoes, plus 8 ways to eat them. I love sweet potatoes. The best glute stretches for buttock pain. Foolproof formula for a healthy no green salad. So we have every recipe in here. We have every resource in here. There is so much. I never want you to feel that you are without the resources you need. So everything is in Beachbody On Demand, but the best part is you have 5 very active coaches in this group here to help you. So if one of us isn't available when you have a question, I bet another one will be. So don't hesitate to reach out, use the resources, and enjoy. Just kind of immerse yourself in this challenge and get the most out of it. Do your best, and let's have some fun. Thanks for joining us.